Okay.
Huh?
What are we doing today?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna do something, you gotta figure it out.
Oh, I have to figure it out. What the heck?
I don't know. It's Halloween, by the way. Happy Halloween. It'll be done and gone by the time you see this, but we're doing something car related today. We don't know what yet.
Something Halloween related, maybe?
Maybe, I don't know. First we gotta get them nutrients. Oh, now you don't want it. You don't want the camera, huh?
Okay, bye, dog.
I was gonna say, side note, look at how cute my dog is, but apparently she doesn't love me, so.
Camera shy as I.
Thanks for that, Luna. Alright, we figured out what we're gonna do. We're gonna go for a little drive, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some things on the channel, some plans, things like that. So for now, we're gonna go and wash the cars up real quick, and then we'll go for a drive. Alright, we made it to the wash rack. Gonna go ahead and wash up, and then we'll head out. Alright, we're all finished up washing. Now we're gonna hit the road. I threw the shotgun mic back on there, so I'm praying for good audio quality. But I can fix some of it in post. So I'm just gonna wait till we get out a little bit farther away from town, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit. See you in a few minutes. Alright, it's a bit loud in here, so I'm gonna try to talk pretty loud and talk over it. So I'm not yelling at you, I promise. So I just want to talk a little bit about plans with the channel, you know, where I'm going moving forward, plans with the car, you know, I'm getting some questions, why am I selling the truck, so on and so forth. So actually we'll start with that. So reason I want to sell the truck. I bought that truck when I was a little bit younger, and knowing what I know now and being older, I would not buy that truck again. I got a good deal on it. I mean, I drove it all the way back from Wyoming. It wasn't terrible, but I spent a lot of money to get that pickup to where it is now. And that's all money that I could have been spending into either this car or a different truck. So I just feel like going forward, I think it's in a good spot now that someone else could be happy with it and work on it a little bit and enjoy it. So going forward, I just want to get into something that's a little bit newer, something that's a little bit more reliable, something with more power stock. You know, I still have every plan in the world of towing and all that. And I want to be able to use my pickup for that without having to worry about throwing a belt or anything like that like you've seen in the past. So those are the reasons for selling the truck. You know, the truck's been decent to me. With what I've had to do to it, it's been decent to me. I just need something newer, better, bigger. You know, it's just progression, right? Plans with the car. So, first plan, I need to raise it up a little bit. Major plans with the car. Obviously, you guys know my goal is to work towards a drift build. So everything I'm doing, I'm working towards that. I quickly realized when I actually got these wheels in that they're not going to work for what I'm trying to do. So I'm actually in the process of doing something a little different for that. But I'll save that for another video another day. So anyways, plans. What I want to do with the car is I want to turbo it. So it's going to be stuck in the garage all winter. I don't drive it when it's snowy. It's rear wheel drive. That's what I have a 4-wheel drive for. I don't need to go out and thrash this for no reason. So this is going to be stuck in the garage all winter, and I got some plans for it. I plan on turboing it. That way when I get it back out for the spring, I can get it on a dyno, get it tuned, and really get a little bit more power out of it. I want to install the hydro in it, and as of right now, that's where I want to not stop. You never stop building a car. That's where I want to take a break on this car, and I want to start going out and I want to actually start using it, having some fun. which leads me into my next topic. I'm getting a lot of questions and comments, about, you're building this car, it's ready to go, why don't you just go drift it, go drift it, go drift it. Well, something that you guys have to remember, especially for a lot of people like on the East Coast and stuff, is drifting is a new sport in America, period. Not to mention the fact that it's extremely new here in the West. I mean, in Oregon, we have one spot that's within about a 4-hour drive from me that I can go to, and they hold like 4 events a year. I mean, there's other places that I can find in that range, but that's how far I have to go. I don't just have a track down the street. I'm not into street drifting. That's with my job and what I do. I just can't be out doing that stuff. I am trying to find somebody though, and I'm working a few connections right now. I'm trying to find somebody that I can, an old abandoned parking lot, or heck, an old concrete pad for a house. I mean, it's just anything that I can go, and even if it's just doing donuts and figure eights and things like that, just to get the control of the car figured out and just get seat time, get comfortable, even if it's just simple stuff like that until I go and do track days. So I am working that angle. It's not like I'm just giving up on it because there's nothing close. I still have every intention in the world of doing it. I just need to continue to work those angles and try to find somebody that can help me out. Okay, so channel-wise, what are my plans, my visions? What do I want to do in the future? So first of all, I want to be a lot more consistent. I actually really enjoy making these videos. It's a lot of fun for me. Even the editing, I mean, yes, it can be tedious, but for the most part, I really do enjoy making these videos. It gets me out of the house. It's something to go do. It's fun. It's already doing something that I love. So my goal is that I want to be posting a video a week. I know that consistency is key, and I want to do that not only for you guys but for me too. I think I owe it to myself to be able to be a little bit more consistent. Now, what that's going to mean is, obviously I don't have the money to be able to buy new parts every week and install them. So what that is going to mean is a lot more videos like today. Just out with friends, taking pictures, going for a drive, talking, more vlog style type stuff. It's still going to be about my cars, but it's going to be a little bit more vlog style. Comment down below if you guys have any thoughts, suggestions, things you'd like to see. I mean, I'm always trying to cook up things in my head so that I can produce more content. But if you guys have any, questions or comments or suggestions, please feel free, drop those below, send me an email, any of that. Follow me on Instagram, send me a direct message. I'm on there all the time, all day, every day. It's Kyle_Stickel for Instagram. But I'm getting off topic. So channel plans, it's obviously still continuing to be a car channel, but it is going to move towards that vlog side of things, just so I can produce more content. I'm still going to produce good content. I mean, one video a week is nothing I can't accomplish. It's just not going to be a new mod every week. So expect that. But I do want to get consistent. That's my main thing with my channel, is at least posting once a week. The ultimate goal is to be posting 2-3 times a week. But for now, we're setting a nice obtainable goal of once a week, and I think that that's something that I can accomplish. So like I said, I want you guys to go ahead and comment below, suggestions. What are things, this channel, yes, it's for me because I enjoy making videos, but it's for you guys. You're the viewer. I'm not going in and watching my videos every day, and that's not what I'm doing. It's for you. What do you want to see? What would you like to know? We made it here. Just taking some pics with the nice little sunset there. What do you think about a little drive, huh?
It was pretty legit, bright as heck, but I forgot some shades.
Yeah, same. Ooh. Oh man. Hello. So clean for a change. time for some coffee, then gonna head home. So I'm sitting here editing this video and I realized that I forgot to shoot an outro. So as always guys, thanks for following along. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And I really want to know what you thought of a video like this down in the comments below. Plan on doing more stuff like this, like I said, so just let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching.